Hi, and welcome to your AM meditation number 3. Let's settle into a comfortable seat, beginning here, working with our senses today, closing down the eyes, dropping inward, and also dropping earthward. So really grounding, feeling your glutes, your sit bones, your legs. Starting to work with your breath, feeling a long, slow inhale, long, slow exhale. What a beautiful way to begin your day or take a pause throughout the days. That deep breath, it just feels so nourishing. This feels right. So here I want you to tune into your sense of touch and feeling. We have such power to scan through sensation, so try to work with that feeling within for what's rising. What can you feel physically through the body? Fabric shifting with breath. Feeling maybe some different temperatures throughout your body. Acknowledging any stories that rise up when we drop in, when we zone in on a sensation. What is the story of that particular sensation? Dropping into your sense of smell. Are there any aromas coming in through the nostrils? Noticing the sensation of the breath moving through the nasal passage as maybe you're taking that smell in, feeling the texture of your breath. Softening the muscles throughout your face. Tune into your sense of taste. the extraordinary taste buds, picking up on any lingering flavors within your mouth. Noticing where the thoughts go. Tune into your relaxed sense of sight. We have the eyes closed or the gaze soft. Embracing some stillness. Really relaxing those muscles that control your eye movements. What do you see behind the eyelids? Is it light? Is it dark? Can you use your imagination to pick up on any color in that space? Here, start to shift into your sense of hearing, picking up on any sound within your space. The hum of electronics or other devices, appliances. Maybe the creak of pipes or floorboards. The sound of your own breath. Here, let's also tune into our intuition. Noticing any messages coming through the heart space, any guidance. Breathing with whatever is rising. Starting to take some deeper breath. Let's bring the hands together, touching the thumbs between your eyebrows. Full inhale. Exhale. And opening the eyes slowly whenever you're ready to move on. I hope you feel well and enjoyed your meditation today. Have a great day.